So I got the cylinder done, and so far I've done only 2/4 of it, and I'm still have to do the rest, the third part, and also the fourth last part. So should do that, and also I've marked where the hole should be on the one side. And right now I'm not gonna do that because call it a day because my fingers are numb. So I'm also what you basically do to cut these holes. You can either use a drill bit for this or you can just use a exacto knife because you know what you basically do is I'll just you just cut around like that, and then you just want to take a small pin or something, or a wire or something, and you're gonna like poke them everything out, and then you're just gonna go back to your exacto knife and then clean all that parts out which are not done properly. So and also um this part is actually lost, I guess, because the cylinder arm is actually lost. I don't know how, but I'm supposed to put a spring for that, so I guess I have to make one more, and then must put a spring inside there. I don't know. So that's that, and also I've been working on the cylinder. So I guess tomorrow I could finish, and also the cylinder. So yeah, that's much is, and thanks for watching. See ya.